Don't forget Taco Tuesday's coming next week.
Everything is awesome in 3, 2, 1.
Hello everybody, my name is Atia Madina, and I made this mask chain from the Beats workshop. And I love the workshop because the teacher was best, and they make story and song, and I love it because they make together with me mask chain, and don't forget the bracelet because that's my name on it. Bye guys, have fun. Hi, my name is Alia. I have made the hungry caterpillar. This is a butterfly that I have made. This is a silly spider. I like this spider about it. It is a penny and it's really eye.
Good evening, teachers and friends. I'm Zafi Ava. These are my creations: the hungry caterpillar, the scary spider, and the beautiful butterfly. My favorite one is the hungry caterpillar, as it looks cute. It is so exciting as it glows in the dark. Thank you, Teacher Uli.
Hi, my name is Corey and I do creation and my favorite is the spider.
Okay, what else do you do?
I do caterpillar and also butterfly
Okay, why do you like the spider?
because it has rainbow hair.
Okay, how do you feel after making it?
Good. Bye bye.
I made a spider. This spider is special because it has a light on top of its head. Its name is Mr. Creepy Crawlies.
Then, what will you want to make next?
A cockroach. Bye bye. I like the workshop. Thank you, facilitators.
I enjoy making my present about
The what? The mask, lanyard, and the bracelet. You like? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yay!
Teacher early.
What do you like best about the workshop? Do you like the making using the LED lights box, or do you like to make the mask lanyards?
I like to do the mask lanyard.
Can you show me where's the mask lanyard? Do you do yourself?
No, my mommy and daddy help me.
For doing the tie the knot?
Yeah.
But do you do the beads yourself?
Yes.
And how about the spider? Do you do yourself?
No, it's too difficult, so my mommy help me.
How about the lights? Do you like the lights?
Yeah.
Do you enjoy? So do you like the box session and the bead session?
Yes.
So do you want it to do it again
Yes.
with your sisters and your friends?
Yes.
I see you soon, Teacher Uli.
I see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye, Teacher Uli.